Hello guys, today I'm going to be making some Danish style mulled wine, otherwise known as Gløgg. I am part Danish, but I cannot pronounce that. This is how it's spelled. If there's any Danes watching, please give us the proper pronunciation. My grandma used to make this growing up for my dad, for my family. It's very popular in Denmark and Scandinavia during the holiday season, Christmas, winter, you know, when it's super cold over there. I'm excited because it sounds good. Got a little spice, got a little wine, got a little sweetness, all into a beautiful chef's kiss package. Let's get into it. I've got some orange juice here, some star anise, some cloves, some cardamom, and some cinnamon sticks. I think traditionally there is rum in here, there's wine, there's a bunch of different liqueurs. It's literally like just grab what you have and put it in the pot. But today I'm gonna be using a Merlot, some port, and a nice sweet red wine blend. To me, I thought it would be good to use a red wine blend so that I don't have to put too much sugar and it still adds to the red wine aroma. All right, let's get into it. I'm gonna turn my pan on to a medium heat. I wanna toast the spices first on the dry pan to let them release its flavor. Once our pan is hot, let's throw our spices in. We're just gonna toast these for a little bit. Spices have been toasting away for about a minute or so. This is a sweet red blend, and I'm gonna put enough to cover the spices in here to let the spices boil with this wine, almost to like a syrup, and then I'm gonna add in the orange juice. Oh, turn the heat down. Don't do what I did. As it starts to simmer, I'm gonna start adding in some orange juice. Oh, these are juicy. Ooh, this is already smelling so lovely. Let's throw in our lovely little orange slices. All right, I'm gonna crank up the heat to a medium high so that this can start to reduce down just a little bit. Oh my goodness, this is already starting to smell incredible. I have some sugared candied ginger cubes here. I'm gonna add in maybe like 2 just for a little bit of extra sweetness and spice. They'll melt away, I hope. Cooking some mulled wine, cooking some mulled wine. Lots smelling scrumptious. We're starting to get a nice boil on this. I think I'm onto something using the sweet blend to make the aromas of the spices come out. Looks like a lot of the water has evaporated before this burns. I'm gonna start adding in the rest of the wines. I'm eyeballing it, guys. You know how we do it over here. Measure with your heart. Just turn down the heat. We don't want to boil the rest of the alcohol. Okay, this pot can actually fit a lot more than I thought it would. Half of some port. Oh, I love that sound. About half of this. That's probably good in it. And then I think I'm gonna do some more of this sweet blend. At this point, we just want to warm up everything together, get it nice and incorporated, dancing around like a happy family, but we're not really trying to cook out any more alcohol. So keep it on a low heat, watch it, let it all warm up, and then we're ready to serve. I'm gonna give it a little taste though, to see if I got my ratios correct. I like a little bit on the sweeter side, so I'm gonna just polish off that. I'm liking this. My family will be enjoying this with me today, but I think they will appreciate a little bit more of a wine forward, so I'll do a little bit more wine for them. I'm excited. This is looking like it's gonna be delicious. After you've let your wine sit for a bit and it's all incorporated, it's going to be lovely. Check this out. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh wait, I forgot to mention, I also made a charcuterie board while I was waiting for this to marinate. Let me go ahead and try the wine. I'm excited. Oh wait. Yum. Oh my goodness, this is actually really good. I'm surprised. I'm not usually a big wine drinker, but I love this. The spice in there, the orange juice works really well with the spice. It's almost like a spiced chai wine combination drink, which I love. Wow, this is perfect for the holiday season. Dang. You guys have to try this out. It's really good. Let's get into the cheese board. Being as we are on Danish traditions today, I am going to do pumpernickel first. This spreadable cheese. Wait a minute. I'm gonna be crazy. No, this is so good. This is actually really good. One of my favorite combinations is the jam and the spreadable. This is like garlic and herb, but I sauce it up, of course, with some pickles and other things. Boom. This is the perfect combination right here. Cheese board with the gløgg. 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 Girl, I can't pronounce. Gløgg. Why is that so difficult to pronounce? I love this. I'm loving all this. Match made in heaven. Oh my gosh, I forgot to mention. Did y'all see this in the back? It's our traditional Danish troll. This has been in the family since like my whole life. I'm gonna put him back to his little home. This was so good, such a treat. I hope you guys are having something delicious. Don't forget to like, comment, run up the engagement, please. It helps out a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Delicious. We have a full fireplace going over here. Winter in Hawaii. All right, bye guys.